Hey everyone, this is NURGLE from Knightshade Studios. Today we'll be tackling the topic of improvised miniature painting. Since it's NURGLE November, we have Papa NURGLE's personal blessings to paint this beautiful POXWALKER. This POXWALKER here is already primed with Chaos Black spray primer, and it has a ZENITHAL undercoat. Those of you who don't know what ZENITHAL undercoating or ZENITHAL priming means, let me know in the comments and I might get back to it later. Or check out some of the already existing videos of my highly talented colleagues such as Miniac, etc. The first color we're gonna use is Knightshade. And it is gonna be the cyborg arm we're gonna paint with this color. Yeah, you guessed it right. We're using non-metallic metallics here, but don't panic. As you know, this is a freestyle improvisation video, so we're just gonna play around with it a little bit and have fun. Of course, you should be following some physical, natural laws to get a somewhat realistic effect, but that won't be as hard. The next color we're gonna be using is Dryad Bark, and we're gonna apply it to all the leathery parts as well as the horn tentacle stuff. It does make sense though to use different base colors for different textures and parts of the model. I'm using this one base color for different parts here because A, it is an improvisational video and B, it also depends on how you go on working with the color, of course. I'm being a bit sloppy on purpose here because I want to blend it all together in a later step. Just bear with me. So this is it for the brown. We'll see what happens next. Our next color will be Nagaroth Night, and this is for the probably most important parts of any NURGLE miniature, the guts. And since I want the guts to have as much depth as possible, I'm starting off with a rather dark color within this range of warm colors I'm gonna be using for the guts. Though purple is actually not that much of a warm color, I guess. Tentacles count as guts as well in this specific case. And never forget about the pustules. Now we've reached the first glaze for this model, and it's not just any glaze, it's Gilliman Blue, which has become quite rare these days since it has been discontinued. I'm using this both as a way to start the blending process, some call it overall blending process, and it's also a way to mark the main colors of my Death Guard army, which is a pale blue as well. It's not the typical Death Guard green, which I also love, no doubt about that, but I always imagined something blue for my Death Guard army. I wasn't the first and I did not invent this color scheme, but I'm pretty happy about how it turned out. Now I'm getting a bit more experimental with a technical color called Nighthaunt Gloom, also a Citadel color. I think I'll be using mainly Citadel colors on this miniature. I am using this also for some kind of blending effect on top of the Gilliman blue glaze. I'm trying to give the whole model some kind of dull look around the skin areas especially. Alright, we are reaching the end of this first episode about improvisational miniature painting. I hope you had as much fun watching as I had painting this NURGLE POXWALKER. If you liked what you saw so far, please consider subscribing, hitting the like button and even commenting. And if you want to see how this miniature further develops, just stay tuned, follow the thumbnail here for the second video of this series. In my opinion, it's really getting more interesting along the way, and I hope to see you later. Thank you very much for watching.